Hello everyone, welcome to IK Tech. Xiaomi's flagship Mi 9 and Mi 9 SE is now official in Europe and in China. The Xiaomi Mi 9 SE is the OEM's first handset to adopt a triple camera configuration, despite it not being a true flagship phone and fitting more into the upper mid-range segment. It has 48 megapixel RGB, plus 8 megapixel telephoto, plus 13 megapixel ultra-wide, triple rear camera with LED flash. On the front there is single 20 megapixel lens. The Mi 9 support USB Type-C. There is two variants, 6GB RAM and 64GB, also 6GB RAM and 128GB non-expandable storage. It has 5.97 inches Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen protected with Gorilla Glass 5. A fingerprint sensor is built in, and operates 25% faster than on the Mi 8 Pro and Mi 8 Explorer. The Xiaomi Mi 9 SE is also the world's first smartphone to employ Qualcomm's Snapdragon 712 silicon. It was manufactured using a 10nm LPP process and features a total of 8 CPU cores split into 2X and 6X core clusters. The Mi 9 SE comes with Android 9.0 Pie, with MIUI 10. On the other hand, the Mi 9, which comes in three colors, piano black, and gorgeous iridescent, Xiaomi calls it holographic, ocean blue or lavender violet. Inside is a brand new Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, a 7nm chip that uses a Cryo 845 core. It's clocked at 2.8 GHz and integrates the Adreno 640 GPU, offering a 45% improvement in processing speed and 20% in graphics over the Mi 8's 845. Xiaomi combines this chip with a minimum 6GB RAM and 64GB non-expandable storage and 8GB of RAM and 128GB storage, though the Mi 8 is also available with 8GB of RAM and 128GB or 256GB storage. Swapping out the dual lens camera of the Mi 8, the Mi 9's new triple lens configuration is rated at 48MP plus 16MP plus 12MP, all hidden behind tough sapphire glass. Please like the video and subscribe to IK Tech for more latest upcoming videos.